In this video, we're going to take a look at anxiety. First of all, anxiety in small doses doesn't harm us. And in fact, it helps us to stay alert and focused and to deal with challenging situations. Feeling anxious from time to time is just normal. But when you can't seem to shake your concerns and your daily life is a constant state of worry and fear, then anxiety has taken an unhealthy grip on your life. Now, anxiety is not one-dimensional, but instead can vary from person to person. One person might get panicky at just the thought of stepping into an elevator or speaking with strangers, while another may suffer intense anxiety attacks that strike without apparent reason. Even though the face of anxiety varies, the common denominator is always the same: having constant fear or worry in situations that most other people would experience as problem-free. Let's take a look at some common emotional symptoms of anxiety. Constant feeling of worry and fear. Having problems concentrating. Irrational, catastrophic thinking, or thinking that the worst is going to happen. Fear of losing control. Feeling of impending danger. Feeling irritable and restless. Constant feeling of being overwhelmed. When suffering from anxiety, it's also common that you experience any of the following physical symptoms: rapid heart rate, shortness of breath, excessive sweating, dryness in your mouth, headaches, frequent urination, dizziness, stomach cramps and diarrhea, muscle tension, feeling tired or problems sleeping. Now, anxiety is our body's ancient and innate response to stressful and dangerous situations, a reaction called fight, flight, or freeze. When we're in a life-threatening situation, like being attacked by an aggressive animal or person, our body's autonomic nervous system is activated to help us to quickly get to safety by becoming stronger, faster, or acting dead. The threatening message that our brain receives causes our body to secrete stress hormones like adrenaline, increasing our experience of severe anxiety. The sympathetic nervous system causes the blood to move from your skin, stomach, fingers, and toes into the bigger muscles like your arms and legs. Necessary senses are being enhanced, so your pupils dilate, your vision and hearing become clearer, and your heart races. Your breathing becomes faster to get more oxygen into your body, and the digestive system slows. The problem with this built-in system in modern society is that your body reacts exactly the same to a perceived fear and thoughts like, "Oh, I didn't turn off the stove," as you would in a real-life threatening situation. Now, for the early humans in the Stone Age, the body's autonomic alarm system was absolutely necessary for survival. But during that time, humans only experienced short periods of stress peaks, such as in a life-threatening situation. But when the danger was over, the stress level and body returned to a normal state. Today, more and more people experienced an increased stress and anxiety level for long periods of time. And this is where it gets problematic. Because if you experience anxiety over a long period of time, this severely harms your body. This is primarily because your body never gets time to fully recover, which can actually make you ill. Your immune system is compromised, and you're more likely to develop infections or colds or flus, even suffer from a heart attack or stroke. Do you recognize yourself in any of the symptoms that I described? If so, we are here to help you. Our online therapy program includes all the support and the tools that you need to start feeling happier today. In addition to regular contact with your personal therapist, who will be by your side from start to finish, you'll have access to our self-help course, which is based on the most research-supported therapy out there, cognitive behavioral therapy, or CBT.